Hi there, Patty. It's Marcy here, recording your video for you. Now, I'm going to keep this brief, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys 3 things that you could do today to start bringing in more business to your company. The 3 things that I'm going to show you and go over are content, citations, and backlinks. So to begin with the content, just a fancy way of saying the information that you've got on your home page here. Google likes to see probably 1,000 to 1,500 words. It's probably one of the biggest neglected things, search engine optimization wise, with the websites that are there. Just business owners and a lot of website builders don't realize the importance of it. But it's through the content. It's, you have keyword rich, authoritative content. That's how Google, crawls the web once somebody searches for something and finds, who does what in order for them to serve up the most relevant results, because they want to keep them on their search engines. So all these things that I'm going to show you today, if you were to go out and just do more and do better than your competitors, well, it's just a matter of time, and then you're going to outrank them. So the fact that everybody's content is weak is kind of a blessing, because then it's not difficult to beat them. Now, what I did was I did a search to see who was showing up on the first page here. I used the term for this particular example, garage door repair. So these were the businesses that were showing up in the Google Maps listing, or we call this the map pack, and typically there's 3 if there's somebody doing paid ads there before. So these are the ones that are showing up. Then I went down and I chose the first business that was ranking organically to use kind of as a comparison, so you can see how this works. Notice that you guys, awesome, are showing up on the first page. Of course, that's where you want to be. So to look at them content-wise, there you go. That's it. So easily beatable. The next thing that I'll go on to, as I said, was the backlinks. So what a backlink is a link from a third-party site coming into your site. The internet's like a big popularity contest. So when other sites vote for you, aka link back to your site, it in turn moves your site up through the search engine. So, not all links are created equal, and this is the example that I'm going to show you right now is a really good example of that. Relevancy is really, really important. So I put yours in first here. Into here, it shows me that you have 76 other websites referring back to you. You're being found for 92 words. And then when I put, because you remember that the other guys were above you, right? But in this case, they don't have more backlinks, more referring domains, but they're more powerful and probably more relevant if I was to dig into it a lot deeper. They're being found for 138 words. So that's how the backlinks works in simplest terms. And then the third thing was citations. Now, this map listing is a citation. Anywhere on the internet where you're going to find your business name, address, and phone number, that's what a citation is. Citations really are important in helping to bump up your rankings in the map section. So what I did is I took that same search term, I put it into this site here, which finds, it's a local citation finder. 99 times out of 100, the 3 that are going to show up there are also showing up in the top businesses here, which they are in this case too. And I think you guys are too, aren't you? Thought you were. Yeah, here you are. Awesome. You're up here actually with more than everybody else. So I would still get more, right? I did put it into one final one, and it shows that, you are ranking pretty good, right? Some businesses, I'll put them in here, and they're mostly red with a couple of tiny green ones. So overall, you're not sandwiched on the second, third page of the maps listing, and right in here, as you can see, you're in the map pack right in here. So there's things that can be done to optimize to get you, spread out and showing up in the top 3 more often, but that kind of gives you an idea where you guys are at. So hopefully that has helped you out to understand how it is and why it is that some sites are up here and some sites aren't. I am with Grow&Gain Marketing, and my information will be in the email with the video when I send it to you. So if you had any questions about this, anything that piqued your interest you want to know more about, then please feel free to get back to me. I'll follow up with you to make sure that this email, or the email and the video, did actually get to you. Thank you for taking my call today, and thank you for taking the time to watch this little video. Take care.